So next question, prove that 3 plus 5 root 2 is an irrational number. हमें प्रूव करनी है 3 plus 5 root 2 एक irrational number है. Okay? तो if possible let 3 plus 5 root 2 is equal to a upon b is a rational number. Is a rational, okay, where a and b are integers and b is not equal to 0. So therefore 3 plus 5 root 2 that is equal to a by b is a rational. By this implies 5 root 2 that should be equal to a upon b minus 3. Okay, so it should be equal to 5 root 2 a minus 3b upon b, taking b as the LCM. Okay, so by this implies square root of 2 is equal to a minus 3b upon 5b. Okay, so here a is an integer, okay, and 3b is also an integer. तो दो इंटीजर का डिफरेंसेस हमेशा इंटीजर होती है. ओके, ए इंटीजर और आपका बी इंटीजर है, डेफिनेटली 3b तो इंटीजर है ही. सो दो इंटीजर का डिफरेंसेस हमेशा इंटीजर होगी. दैट मीन्स a minus 3b must be an integer. Okay, as well as since b is also a non-zero integer, b is a non-zero integer, तो 5b भी इंटीजर होंगी. Okay, that means it is in the form of some integer upon some integer where denominator is not equal to 0. Okay, that means this a minus 3b upon 5b, it is in the form of p by q where p and q are integer and q is not equal to 0. That means this term must be a rational number. Okay, तो कैसे लिखेंगे यहाँ पे, since a and b both are integers and b is not equal to 0. Okay, so therefore a minus 3b upon 5b must be a rational number, must be a rational. Okay, by this implies root 2 must be a rational. Okay, but fact क्या है आपका यहाँ पे, स्क्वायर 2 आपका एक irrational number है. So but therefore it contradicts the fact, it contradicts the fact that square root of 2 is an irrational. Okay, that means our supposition is wrong. Therefore 3 plus 5 root 2 is not a rational number. That means it is an irrational number. Okay, hence it is proved. Okay, so now I'll give you some assignment, some homework. Okay, so prove that square root of 10 is an irrational. Number. Okay, this is first question. Another one, prove that 5 plus 3 root 2 is an irrational. Next question, prove that 3 minus square root of 5 is an irrational. Okay, so these three are the question for your homework assignment. Okay, and after solving this, send it to my WhatsApp number. Okay, thank you, thanks a lot.